Dear viewers, welcome once again to our educational channel. Every morning brings a new chance, a new beginning, and a new question. How to stay motivated every single day? We all start with energy, but somewhere along the way it fades. Why does motivation fade away? And more importantly, how do we keep our inner flame alive every day? Today's topic is the secret to staying motivated every day. Let's uncover this secret step by step. Dear viewers, motivation is not something that lasts forever. It's like sunlight. You have to step into it every day. Many people think motivation means being excited all the time. But no. Motivation isn't about excitement. It's about consistency. Every day life will test you with tiredness, with doubt, with delay. The challenge is not to avoid those days, but to rise despite them. So, what helps us rise every day, even when energy runs low? The source of motivation. And that source of motivation is not outside, it is inside you. Your purpose gives birth to motivation. When you remember why you started, you find the strength to continue. Think of your goal. Maybe to learn, to grow, to support your family, or to become something better. That goal is your light. And when the world feels dark, it is that inner light that keeps you going. So, every morning, don't look for motivation. Create it by reminding yourself of your dream, by reminding yourself of your purpose. Now, let's talk about 5 practical steps to live with motivation every day. Step number 1. Start your day with gratitude. Say, Alhamdulillah, I am alive, I can breathe, I can try. Step number 2. Keep your goals visible. Write them down. Stick them near your study table. Remind yourself every day. Step number 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Watch inspiring videos. Read motivational quotes. Talk to people who lift you up. Step number 4. Reward yourself for small achievements. Even a small step deserves appreciation. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Step number 5. Never compare yourself to others. Let me repeat this because it matters deeply. Never compare yourself to others because everyone's journey is completely different. Focus on your own progress one day at a time. my dear learners, professionals, and dreamers. Remember, motivation is not a fire that burns once, it's a candle you relight every morning. And even if it flickers, don't worry, motivation is still light. Your effort is your strength. So keep that flame alive. Thank you so much, dear viewers, for joining today's session. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. And of course, subscribe for more lessons on motivation, success, and growth.